Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Joe Jackson. I did a video on water, excess water in the yard, or like a natural little spring. In my case, I have a lot of water resources coming into my property, and down here at the end of the property, the water basically just comes in here and soaks the ground. So I needed to get the water out. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna do a video and piece it together, is I bought basically a basin that catches the water. And as you see, I drilled holes all in it. And then across the sides, the water can seep in. And then it's gonna connect to these hoses that actually have little slits in it to help the water come down into the pipe. And it's going to go all the way down to a drain, so all the water on my bottom side of my property will be gone. So I'm going to do a piece this video together so you can see kind of what I'm doing and how I do it to actually get water, excess water off your property and out and away from the yard. So next step, I connected the pipe, the irrigation pipe, to the box. And basically what I did is I put it in, and to make sure it stays there and stays secure, I put 2 screws, one in the top and one in the bottom, to hold this hose in place so it don't separate it after I bury it. And basically, as I put the pipes together, the irrigation pipes, I'm doing the same thing. I'm putting a screw on the top and the bottom to hold these together so they don't separate underground. So here's just about the finished version of this. So again, I was trying to get the water source off the yard. So after I put the pipe all the way down through there, you'll see where I dug, and I'll show you where it's draining out at. Around this basin that's catching the water, I put rock all around it, and the reason for that is so the water can filter through and not go mud and all that stuff get jammed up inside that basin, and by doing that it'll clog it up. So anyway, as you come down, you'll see the finished of where the water will now be coming out and going right into the drain. So to take all this water off, also there's kind of a slope that's coming down from the house. So I designed this to where when I put the dirt back on, as you see, it's going to be even with the ground, and then it's going to catch water from the ground surface as well, coming down from the house. So again, I hope this helped, and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and I appreciate y'all.